Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I finally have a new tutorial for you, and all of you ladies that are in my VIP Facebook group went ahead and voted what look you wanted to see today, and it was like by a landslide that you guys wanted to see a holiday makeup tutorial. So that is what this is. I feel like you can probably tell that though, and I will be having more holiday tutorials coming as well once I get my new eyeshadows. This was like the inspiration for today's look. So yeah, if you want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first thing I'm doing is just taking my highlight color, which is linen. I like to use my brighter one to really brighten up my lids. So just apply that all over to prime. Then I am taking my Mascara Perfector sponge and some of the Airspun powder and just packing that onto my lids. The first eyeshadow I am taking is the color Zion, and I'm using my fluffy eyeshadow everything brush to apply it. With this color, I am starting it right in that outer corner and working it up into the crease. And so you're gonna wanna run this all the way from the inner to outer crease, or yeah, I guess inner to outer crease. And then into that outer corner or outer V area. And then whatever is left on your brush, just lightly blend it up towards that brow. And then I'm going to add a little bit more to this outer corner and bring it in a little bit more. And I flipped it over to that pencil brush side, and I'm just going to take some of Zion really quick on that lower lash line. Might as well get that on. Even turn it over to that fluffy side once you have the color on to kind of diffuse and blend it down. Next color I'm grabbing is Coal, and I'm using the pencil side of the brush because I just want to focus this color on the outer corner or outer V, and I want to make sure that I really just focus it in that area and not bringing it up too high into the crease, just kind of stopping right at that crease. And now that that color is placed, I am going to flip it over to that fluffy side of the brush. Only do this if you have enough lid space. If you have smaller lids, just stick to that pencil side and do the same thing. But I'm just going to use this to blend out that outer corner a little bit and make sure that it just kind of fades right into that first shadow. Okay, now we're going to put that on the lower lash line as well. So you can stop right, like, you know, and line it up kind of with where we did the smokiness there, or you can bring it all the way across. I don't know what I want to do yet, so I think for now I'm going to leave it halfway, and then I might decide to smoke it out a little bit more. Okay, so now for the lid color, I'm going to take the multitasker brush and first grab some of Bright Eyes. And so you can see I am literally just going to start packing this on to that inner part of the lid, just exactly where we left it blank. I will be going over it with Stardust as well because I just wanted to neutralize the warmth a little bit and just kind of make the color that I was going for. Once I get the new eyeshadows, I will have the perfect color for this, but for the time being, I'm just kind of making it work. Next color I'm taking is Stardust, and I'm still using that same flat brush and then spraying it with Stay Spray. And so I'm just packing this on right on top. Like I said, I just kind of wanted a certain color, so I'm just mixing the two, and look at how pretty that is. It's totally up to you if you want to kind of use this brush to keep the crease nice and sharp, or you can blend it out. Just kind of whatever you want to do. Alright, one more pass of Stardust. Okay, you guys, for the sake of the video, I'm going to use tape. I'll probably have to touch up that lower lash line with eyeshadow, but I'm going to do a wing. As always, this look would totally be pretty without one though. Here today I'm using the red Aspen liner. It's called Asha's ink liner. And it is a felt tip, but I love it because it has a very fine point to it, so you definitely still can get like those sharp points and everything as far as wings go. Alright, so I went ahead and curled my lashes because I have naturally straight ones, and then I'm just putting on a light coat of mascara, and then we will apply the fake lashes. For lashes today, I will be using red Aspen ones. As always, you guys know how much I love them. I have my little lash book right here, so I'm going to be using these ones here because I want to keep it kind of dramatic. So we're going to be using these, which are Rosie. So the glue is nice and tacky, so we're just going to go ahead, set these on. I always like to set that center piece, center part first, and then go in and hold those inner and outer corners into place. And I'll have my link to Red Aspen in the description box in case you guys want to buy any of these lashes. Literally worn this pair like, oh my gosh, 20 times, if not more. So they last forever. Okay, so the final step for the eyes, and then we are all done. I would, if I had my new eyeshadows for this step, I would use the unicorn eyeshadow from Maskcara, but I don't have them yet. So I'm going to be using my illuminator or highlighter from the Balm, and it's the Mary Luminizer. And so what I'm going to do is take the fluffy side of the brush, swirl it in, and then I'm going to spray it with the Stay Spray. Kind of wave it quick, and then I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. And that way we have a nice and shimmery inner corner, and you can layer it up or do what you want. And just make sure that you clean your brush with the Restore brush cleaner before going in with this step, or it could make a mess. So let's talk about lips for a second. I went ahead and lined my lips with the Contour Astoria. I went ahead and filled it in using Scarlett, which is this gorgeous color here. I do also have this on my cheeks as well. This obviously has like that matte finish, which you can leave it like this if you want. I have really been into a little bit more glossy, so I think I'm going to take Ever Red and put that on top to add a little bit of gloss. So here you have the lip color with a little bit of Ever Red on top, and you can see how it just makes it glossy. You can definitely put more on if you want it to be really glossy. All right guys, and here you have the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial, and hopefully you learned something new as well. Thank you so very much for watching, and if you have any video ideas, please leave them in the comments, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys.